Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial on this adorable apple squishy that I made using this ugly sponge that I found in Poundland. So it was a pound. So I just found it and I thought it was so ugly I had to get it and redecorate it. So yeah, let's get started. So I started off with some puffy paints and I mixed different green shades and some PVA glue. But it wasn't the best idea because I ended up wasting a lot of paint and it didn't really work out very nice. So later on I mixed my own kind of puffy paint, but the first coat I did using the Arteza puffy paints. So here you can see the first coat almost done, and I mixed up some of my own puffy paint, which was still not the best one. The best one is the last one. So after making my own puffy paint using some shaving cream, actually shaving foam, and PVA glue and some acrylic paints, I made this cool puffy paint that worked out really nicely. And then I started decorating it using some red puffy paint, and this one is the Arteza ones. And then I added a cute kawaii face using some black paint. And of course I added some highlights in the eyes to make it cuter and some blush to the cheeks. And then I added a little worm because I thought it was just so cute. So then I used the same puffy paint that I mixed up myself to paint the leaves. And then I added some darker details using the Arteza puffy paints. And yeah, I also added this stem using some brown paint, and that was it. So this turned out a little bit slow rising, but it is still a sponge and I couldn't cover like all the holes and stuff. But I really like it. I think it is so cute. Let me guys know if you enjoyed the video, if you would like to see more squishy videos. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.